In this video, we're going to talk about something that affects every woman after 50, your skin and how it changes with age. Many women notice that one day their face looks different, more lines, less firmness, and a duller tone that no cream seems to fix. The truth is, this isn't just about getting older on the outside. It's about what's happening inside your body, especially after menopause, when collagen, the protein that keeps your skin firm, starts to break down much faster. Studies show that women can lose up to 30% of their collagen in the first 5 years after menopause. That's why the changes can feel so sudden. So today, I'll walk you through these 3 fruits, explain why they're so effective, and show you how to make them a simple part of your daily routine. I'd love for you to share in the comments, do you already eat one of these fruits regularly? Your answer might encourage someone else to give it a try. Point 1. Pomegranate, protecting collagen from within. What makes pomegranate so special for women after 50 is its ability to protect the collagen you still have. Collagen is like the scaffolding under your skin, it keeps everything lifted and firm. But after menopause, as estrogen drops, collagen breaks down more quickly. That's why the cheeks lose volume, the jawline softens, and wrinkles seem to appear almost overnight. Now, creams and serums can only reach the top layers of your skin. But pomegranate works from the inside, where the real problem starts. This fruit is rich in polyphenol, powerful plant compounds that act like natural shields. They calm inflammation, improve circulation, and most importantly, slow down the enzymes that break collagen apart. Think of it as giving your skin extra protection against the silent wear and tear that comes with age. Research has backed this up. In one study, women who drank pomegranate juice daily for several weeks showed noticeable improvements in skin elasticity and fewer visible fine lines compared to those who didn't. That's not a cosmetic quick fix, it's the body repairing itself with the right nutrition. Adding pomegranate to your routine doesn't have to be complicated. Half a cup of fresh seeds on yogurt, a small glass of unsweetened juice with lunch, or even tossing the seeds into a salad is enough. The key is not how fancy you make it, but how consistent you are. Over time, this little habit can add up to skin that looks firmer and feels healthier. And as an extra bonus, the same antioxidants that help your skin also support your heart and circulation, which is just as important as we age. Point 2. Blueberries, defending against wrinkles. They may look small, but don't underestimate them. These little berries are one of nature's strongest defenses against wrinkles. While pomegranate helps protect collagen, blueberries step in to fight another major problem, oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is the invisible damage that happens inside your body from things like sunlight, pollution, stress, and even normal metabolism. After menopause, this damage speeds up, and it shows on the skin as more lines, uneven tone, and a tired look. You may notice that even if your skin feels firm, it still looks dull or creased. That's oxidative stress at work. This is where blueberries shine. They are packed with anthocyanins, the pigments that give them their deep blue color. These compounds act as antioxidants, which means they neutralize the free radicals, the unstable molecules that attack your skin cells. By calming this attack, blueberries help your skin hold on to its smoothness and natural glow. A major study even showed that women who ate at least 3 servings of berries per week aged more slowly at the cellular level compared to women who rarely ate them. That means the benefits aren't just about how your skin looks, they reach deep into your body and slow down the aging process itself. Adding blueberries is easy. A handful on your morning oatmeal, blended into a smoothie, or even frozen blueberries as a quick snack, all of these give you the same powerful benefits. Many women I've worked with noticed that within a couple of months of eating them regularly, their skin looked brighter, and friends even asked if they had changed their skincare routine. But the only change was at the breakfast table. So, while blueberries may seem small, they deliver big results, not just for your skin, but for your heart, your circulation, and even your brain health as you age. Point 3. Kiwi, rebuilding skin with vitamin C. Kiwi is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, and this vitamin is absolutely essential for rebuilding your skin from the inside out. Here's why vitamin C matters so much. Your body needs it to make new collagen. Without enough vitamin C, collagen fibers can't form properly, which means your skin becomes more fragile, thinner, and more likely to sag. With the right amount, however, your body can repair damage, stitch collagen fibers together, and bring back a fresher, firmer look to your skin. A study in New Zealand showed just how powerful kiwi can be. Women over 55 who ate 2 kiwis a day for a month had higher vitamin C levels in their blood, and this translated into visible improvements, better skin hydration and a brighter complexion. One of my own patients in her 70s shared that after making kiwi part of her breakfast, her grandchildren thought she had started wearing makeup again. But in reality, it was simply the glow from healthier skin. What's wonderful about kiwi is how easy it is to add. You can slice it and eat it with a spoon, toss it into a fruit salad, or blend it into a smoothie. Even 1 kiwi a day makes a difference, but 2 is ideal for getting enough vitamin C to support your skin consistently. And beyond your skin, kiwi helps boost your immune system, supports iron absorption, and even helps reduce fatigue. So it's not only about looking better, it's about feeling stronger and more energetic, which is just as important as we age. Point 7. Papaya, supporting elasticity and brightness. Another wonderful fruit to consider is papaya. It's often called a skin-friendly fruit because it supports elasticity, hydration, and brightness in a way that complements the other 3 we've already talked about. Papaya is rich in vitamin C, like kiwi, but it also has vitamin A and special natural enzymes called papain. These enzymes gently support the skin's renewal process, helping to keep it smooth and clear. For many women, one of the concerns after 50 isn't just wrinkles, but also uneven tone or age spots that make the skin look dull. Papaya's antioxidants and enzymes help reduce that unevenness by calming inflammation and encouraging fresh new cells to come to the surface. This gives the skin a more even, glowing appearance over time. Studies show that papaya's unique combination of nutrients supports not only collagen production but also helps the skin hold on to moisture better. That means less dryness and a softer texture, which is something many women notice improving within weeks of adding it regularly to their meals. Eating papaya is simple. You can enjoy a few slices on their own, add them to a fruit salad, or blend them into a smoothie with other fruits like kiwi or blueberries. Some women even enjoy papaya as a light dessert in the evening. What matters most, again, is consistency. Just a few servings a week can make a visible difference in how your skin looks and feels. Papaya also supports digestion and immunity, which makes you feel lighter and healthier overall. When your body feels good inside, it naturally reflects on the outside. That's why papaya is such a helpful addition to a skin-healthy diet. Great Call Cherry Blossom Let's adjust point 4 so it now includes all 4 fruits, pomegranate, blueberries, kiwi, and papaya. I'll rewrite it in the same warm, simple, and engaging tone for your audience. Point 4, the combined power of 4 fruits. We've now talked about pomegranate, blueberries, kiwi, and papaya one by one. Each fruit plays its own role. Pomegranate protects the collagen you already have, blueberries fight the damage that creates wrinkles, kiwi gives your body the vitamin C it needs to rebuild, and papaya adds enzymes and antioxidants that brighten and smooth the skin. But here's the exciting part, when you bring them together, their power multiplies. Think of it this way, if you only protect your skin but don't rebuild it, the results won't last long. If you only rebuild without defending, the new collagen breaks down again. And if you rebuild without addressing uneven tone or brightness, the skin still looks tired. But when you protect, defend, rebuild, and brighten all at the same time, you create a full circle of support for your skin. That's why these 4 fruits work best as a team. Research also shows that variety matters. People who eat a wide range of antioxidant-rich fruits tend to have less inflammation, healthier skin, and a slower rate of visible aging compared to those who stick with only one. Each fruit brings unique compounds: polyphenol from pomegranate, anthocyanins from blueberries, vitamin C from kiwi, and papain plus vitamin A from papaya. Together, they cover more ground, giving your skin complete care. Adding all 4 fruits to your daily life doesn't have to be complicated. Some women enjoy a morning fruit bowl with yogurt topped with pomegranate seeds, blueberries, kiwi slices, and papaya cubes. Others prefer smoothies or simple snacks throughout the day. The style doesn't matter, what matters is making them a regular habit. When combined, these 4 fruits not only support your skin but also give you more energy, improve digestion and circulation, and strengthen your overall health. It's a natural way of caring for your body and your confidence at the same time. Point 5. Results women experience. One of the most common questions women ask me is, if I start eating these fruits, how soon will I notice a difference? The answer is that results don't happen overnight, but they do happen, and they build steadily. In the first couple of weeks, many women notice that their skin feels a little more hydrated. It may not be something others can see yet, but you'll feel it when you look in the mirror first thing in the morning. After about 4 to 6 weeks, fine lines often start to look softer, and the overall tone of the skin appears brighter. This is usually when friends and family begin to notice and may even ask what new cream or makeup you're using. But in truth, the only change is coming from inside your diet. By the time 2 or 3 months pass, the changes are more visible and lasting. Skin can look firmer, more even, and healthier overall. One woman I worked with, a retired teacher in her 70s, told me that her church friends thought she had switched to a more expensive foundation. Another woman shared that her granddaughter described her as sparkly. Those little moments mean so much because they show not just surface changes but also the boost in confidence that comes along with them. It's also important to mention that the benefits don't stop at the skin. Because these fruits also support circulation and reduce inflammation, many women report feeling more energetic and balanced. They notice they can get through the day with steadier energy, which makes just as big a difference in quality of life as looking better in the mirror. Practical application: how to begin safely. Now that you know how these 4 fruits can help, the next question is simple: how do you start? The good news is, you don't need expensive supplements or complicated diets. Just small, steady steps with these fruits can bring real results. For pomegranate, about half a fruit each day, or a small glass of unsweetened juice, is enough to make a difference. You can sprinkle the seeds on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. The important thing is not to eat a large amount all at once but to make it a regular part of your meals. With blueberries, a modest handful each day, around half a cup, is perfect. Fresh or frozen both work the same, so don't worry if fresh berries are out of season. Many women like adding them to smoothies, mixing them into porridge, or just enjoying them as a snack. Studies show that even a few servings per week help, but daily intake gives the best protection. For kiwi, 1 to 2 fruits a day provide all the vitamin C your skin needs to rebuild. You can slice and eat them with a spoon, add them to a fruit salad, or blend them into your morning drink. If the skin feels tough on digestion, simply peel it before eating. With papaya, 1 to 2 slices or about half a cup is a great daily portion. You can enjoy it fresh, add it to a fruit salad, or blend it into a smoothie with the other fruits. Papaya is also gentle on digestion and supports hydration, so it brings more than one benefit at the same time. The real secret isn't perfection, it's consistency. If you miss a day, don't feel discouraged. Just pick up again the next day. Progress comes from patterns, not single moments. By keeping these fruits on your weekly grocery list and including them in your daily meals, you create a simple routine that supports your skin, energy, and overall health for years to come. So, what have we learned? The changes you see in your skin after 50 are not just about age or bad luck, they're connected to what's happening inside your body. When collagen breaks down and oxidative stress rises, the skin loses firmness, fine lines deepen, and the glow fades. But the good news is that you can take simple, natural steps to slow this process and even reverse some of the effects. Pomegranate helps protect the collagen you already have, so your skin stays firm for longer. Blueberries fight the damage caused by free radicals, keeping wrinkles from carving deeper lines. And kiwi gives your body the vitamin C it needs to rebuild collagen and renew your skin. On their own, each fruit has powerful benefits, but together they form a complete system of protection, defense, and renewal. The key is not quick fixes or expensive products, it's consistency. Small habits, repeated daily, lead to real and lasting results. The first changes may be subtle: softer skin, a little more brightness in the mirror. Over time, those changes build into firmer skin, a healthier tone, and more energy that you feel throughout your whole body. Most importantly, this is not just about appearance. It's about feeling confident, vibrant, and proud of the way you care for yourself. When you nourish your body from within, you're investing not only in your skin but also in your overall health, your energy, and your quality of life. So, if you take just one thing from this, let it be this: aging gracefully doesn't come from a jar. It comes from the choices you make every day, choices that support your body and allow your natural beauty to shine through at any age.